Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. In this video, we are gonna learn how to find the derivative of the logarithmic functions. So here we can see that this is the function y. It is the form of ux to the power vx, where ux is equal to ln of 5x and vx is equal to ln of 3x. So here it is given that y is the form of ln x, means ln x is the base e. So if we will find the differentiation of this, then we will get 1 upon x. But if we will get log x, so log x means to the base 10. So if you want to find the differentiation of this, first we have to convert this log into the base e. So we can convert this to the base e by just doing log x base e. So it will become ln x. We can write it ln x or log x base e divided by log 10 base e. So basically if we will differentiate this, what we will get? We will get as 1 upon log 10 base e multiply by 1 upon x. So this is the thing that we have to keep in mind. And now we will differentiate to differentiate such type of functions, that is ux to the power vx. We have to take log means ln both sides. So suppose there is a function that is y is the form of ux to the power vx. So if we will take ln both sides, it will become ln y, and by the property of log, so this is a to the power b. So ln a to the power b is equal to b ln a. So this ux vx will come in the front. So vx multiply by ln of ux. Now if we will replace the values, what we will get? We will get ln y is equal to vx will be ln of 3x multiply by ln of 5x. So there are ln functions, and this is the form of f of g also, means ln inside ln. So now if we will differentiate both sides, we will get 1 divided by y multiply by dy by dx, means we have to differentiate each of the variable with respect to x. Now we will just use u into v property. So suppose this is the u function, this is the v function. Actually I have already named them. So this is the v and this is u. So now we know that differentiation of u into v with respect to x is equal to, first we will leave u as a constant, then we will differentiate v with respect to x, then we will leave v as constant, then we will differentiate u with respect to x. So this is the differentiation of u into v. So suppose we will leave this as constant, so this will become ln 5x multiply by dy dx of ln of 3x. Now we will leave this ln of 3x as constant, and we will differentiate this. This ln, we will differentiate this u function with respect to x, so it will become ln of 5x. Now after solving, what we will get? We will get 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, so this is the constant, so we can write it as it is, ln of 5x. Now we know that to find the differentiation of ln, so suppose this is ln of q. So we know that differentiation of ln of q is 1 upon q. So it will become 1 upon 3x. And now we have to differentiate this 3x with respect to x also. Plus this ln x, ln 3x is constant here. And now we have to differentiate this f of g function. So this is f of g. So f is ln x and g is also ln x. So first we have to differentiate the outside the function, means this function. So we know that the differentiation of this directly will be 1 upon ln of 5x, right? Now we have to differentiate this ln 5x function with respect to x again. So we can write this as ln of 5x. Now to solve this, we know that differentiation of 3x, 3 is constant, so it will come outside. So this will become 3 dx by dx, so it will be cancelled, and 3 will be cancelled by 3. So basically it become ln of 5x divided by x, plus this will become ln of 3x divided by ln of 5x, multiply by, so differentiation of ln 5x will be 1 upon 5x, and then 5x differentiation with respect to x will be 5, because 5 is constant, it will be come out, and dx will be cancelled by dx, so 5 will be also cancelled, so it will become 1 upon x basically. So 1 upon x will be multiplied in the numerator, so x will be multiplied here. So if we can write this as 1 upon y dy by dx. So now to solve this, what we need to do? This is dy by dx. So if you want to find the value of y dy by dx, we have to just multiply y to the right hand side. So basically we can write this dy by dx as y. So y value is here, this ln x, this ln 5x to the power ln 3x. So this is y. So if we will multiply this whole term, so 1 upon x will be taken out common. So 1 upon x will be divided to this directly. And now we can write this as ln of ln 5x plus ln 3x divided by ln 5x. So basically this is the whole differentiation of this ln to the power ln function. So we can write this dy by dx as we have written here. So here in this question we have used so much of differentiation, means we have used the u into v product rule, we have used ln a to the power b property, we have used f of g, differentiation of f of gx function. So these 3 type of rules that we have used in this question. So to ask such more doubts, please visit my website or drop your comments in the drop your doubts in the comment box below. And if you like this video, then please share it with your friends so that they can also learn how to differentiate the logarithmic functions. Thank you very much.